This featured job listing is at the company KPMG Futures, which is a professional services firm with global outreach and deep sector experience. They work with clients across an array of industries to solve complex challenges, steer change, and enable growth. This job opportunity is for artificial intelligence infrastructure lead, but it encompasses a lot of things. This job is based in Sydney, Australia, and is of hybrid nature. And interestingly enough, you will require a broad knowledge around areas such as quantum computing, Web3, the metaverse, and next gen. The main objective of KPMG for this role is to bring to life game changing technologies through their application. Core to this objective is their future technology capability, which aims to connect future technology with real world problems that the clients care about. Now, as part of this role, you would need to develop a point of view on where future technology is heading and the opportunity this presents to the firm and their clients. So, this job role is not that technical, rather, it is more towards the leadership and thought provoking um, guidance towards the company's goal in aligning with the future work in artificial intelligence and likewise technologies. You would need to also participate in industry forums to position KPMG as a leader in future tech. You would also engage with partners and alliances to form relationships that enhance the firm's positioning and helps to inform new business opportunities. You would also articulate clear investment opportunities for the firm into future technologies, and you would be liaising with a lot of other departments and stakeholders like risk, legal, finance, brand, and other support services to ensure that all the compliance considerations are understood and managed. So, if you're a strategic critical thinker and a relationship builder and have a can do attitude, and you want to work in the cutting edge, bleeding edge new technologies at KPMG Futures, then go to their website or LinkedIn and apply directly from there.